Let's learn how to divide the number 950 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 4. Now this 4 is also less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. And we know that 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Subtract, we get 0. Now again see that this 0 is also less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. But see that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. And we know that 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0. So we will stop. Therefore, 950 divided by 5 is equal to 190. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.